Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Gurmashak with me today. Very first attempt in PT, first time test taker, a perfect 90 overall. Congratulations, Gurmashak. Very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. It's all to the down to the efforts from Language Academy, and I'm happy to be here.
Thanks for that. Very first thing, what do you think is important for this particular exam? Because you have taken IELTS earlier, right? And then you move to PT, first attempt, you can't get something more than this. What do you take out of your journey and what do you think is important for the exam?
I think that the most important thing would be the preparation. I think like going into the first day at the classes at Language Academy, I think I felt confident from the teachers you guys have and the strategies that we are taught over there. I think that just infused a lot of confidence in me. And from then on, I think I didn't hesitate in taking my first attempt and getting my desired score of 79 each.
That's right. But as you have mentioned strategies, what do you think when it comes to PT? Do we need to focus more on the language part, or do we need to understand the exam and then prepare according to the requirements of the exam?
I think the latter would be a good place to focus on. That once you get a hold of what the exam is all about, then you can start preparing about it, and instead of just going straight in and doing preparation, that could be just a waste of time. Even though it helps in the long run, but still, once you focus on the questions of the exam and then start preparing yourselves, I think that would help you in scoring your desired score.
That's right. So basically, understanding the exam and then preparing step by step and clearing the exam in the very first go.
Yeah, that's right.
Your practice at home due to lockdown, you were practicing online. How helpful is the portal, and how important are mock tests before you go for the exam?
Yeah, I think I would attribute my success to the portal, because like you said, we are in a lockdown at the moment, and I couldn't go out for help. So the portal was all I had, even though I could get feedback from from some of the teachers there. I think the mock tests, like the individual mock tests as well as the full mock tests that are available on Language Academy portal, they helped me the most. I think the feedback you get from them, that helps you in preparing for the areas that you're lagging in. And I think, that's I would reckon that's the best part about being in Language Academy, that you get that portal and the feedback coming from it.
Yeah, that's right. That's very important. Rightly mentioned, because you have the flexibility. You can practice anytime you want, and then instantly you come to know, yes, this is the mistake. This is what I need to work on. This is how I have to improve, and this is how I have to get a perfect 90. Let's wrap this up. Any final advice for students who are thinking or planning to go for the exam, or who who are taking the exam continuously, missing by a few points? Any advice, any golden words for them, please?
I think they should come along with Language Academy, because like instead of like spending a lot of money on taking regular tests, I think it will be better to like prepare with the portal that you guys have, and once you get the feedback, you have teachers with whom you can discuss the areas you're lagging in. I think, maybe focus on preparation instead of like giving regular tests. Focusing on preparation might help you get your score.
That's right. What I take out of your journey is that confidence, very confident from day one. I remember I saw you in the lab. I knew that this guy is going to make it. Why? Not because you were very good or with something XYZ, but confidence that yes, doesn't matter what happens, I have to do it. Plus right direction, feedback, and regular practice is what it takes to get a perfect 90 like you have done. Congratulations and all the very best for your NAATI now.
Thank you so much.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure if he has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. But you need to work smartly. You need to understand the exam and approach the exam in the right manner, understanding the exam and then working hard to make sure you know what it takes to get a perfect 90. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.